Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set up Trello card dependencies, a crucial tool for effective project management. The first step is to install the Hello Epics Power-Up. Navigate to your Trello board and click on Show menu, then Power-Ups. Search for Hello Epics and click on Add. This power-up is essential because it allows you to create dependencies between cards, helping you to create a more streamlined workflow. Now that we've installed the Hello Epics Power-Up, it's time to create your parent and child cards. The parent card is the main task, while the child cards are subtasks that need to be completed for the parent task to be done. The reason we do this is to break down complex tasks into manageable chunks, making it easier to track progress and delegate tasks. Next up, we're going to link these cards together. Open the parent card, click on Hello Epics, and select Add Cards. You can then search for and add your child cards. This is a crucial step because it visually connects the parent and child cards, allowing you to see at a glance what needs to be done before the parent task can be completed. Now, let's add some dependencies. With the parent card still open, click on Add Dependency under Hello Epics. Search for the child card that the parent task depends on. This helps us because it allows us to clearly see the order in which tasks need to be completed, keeping us organized and ensuring that nothing gets overlooked. Finally, repeat this process for all your tasks. Once you've set up your dependencies, you'll be able to see a clear workflow, making it easier to manage your projects and keep your team on track. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up Trello card dependencies, helping you to streamline your workflow and increase your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.